Generic greetings and welcome to Construction Plus Factorio episode 37. Please excuse the voice because I have got a cold at the moment. Also, please excuse some of the decisions I'll probably make. I'm on copious amounts of Lemsip and Beecham's. In the previous episode, we did a bit of attacking and changed things around the factory just a little bit. In this episode, I'm going to be adding some more assembly machines to make some processing units and also finishing off what we started over at the top left there, which is replacing all of the labs. Keeping all the labs, adding the efficiency modules. Productivity modules. Adding productivity module 3s to the lot of them. As you can see, these are not really doing anything at the moment because we are still waiting on these. Hang on, have I got them in my pocket? I should have them. No. On processing units, these things here, that's something we do need to make. So in order to do that, I'm going to set up a fairly large assembly area to actually do that. So I'm probably going to make maybe 2 more. I'll actually have 6 in total actually creating the things. So we'll do like that. There we go. And then what we need to do is set all of these to actually create them things. And now, obviously, we only had 1 originally, so that's something that we need to change. I'm just going to spin them around, as you can see. So I'm just spinning them around because these do need sulfur. So I think sulfur might be a bit of an issue for us because we're not producing much of it these days. But, you know, we'll do what we can. Anyway, I need to just have it run. Hang on, I need to change something. I need to have pipe. There we go, I do have pipe. So we're going to run some pipe along like so, and the problem I have is that, yes, I'm gonna have to move these. See, I need to insert into these and then take out of them as well. Actually, no, what we can do, we can actually connect them all up like so, and have them insert on the other side. There we go. There's that. Just need to come along like that. Need to rip that up and connect this up. Hang on, with an underground pipe there and then there. That's fine. Obviously, I'm just going to put that cable back in like so we actually power this thing up as well like that. Okay. So now we're taking sulfur out of the tank, which is there. As you can see, sulfuric acid is actually going down, so we do need to start producing more sulfuric acid, which means that needs to produce sulfur. There you go, fantastic. I do have loads on me as well. I had 50 on me, which I'll put in a tank somewhere else. Right. So these require advanced circuits and electronic circuits. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have some inserters. Basically, we're going to insert at the top bit, and we'll take out at the bottom, like that. Like that, okay? So put the ones like that, and like that. There we go. And just to make it easy, I'm going to put a substation there. Actually, no, we'll put it there, just so everything is actually connected up, as you can see. Is that connected up to the power line? It is connected up to the rails. Right. So we need a... What's that? Is that a provider chest? A provider chest. So we need the provider chests there. Like... Hang on. Like so. Yeah, that's getting confusing now. And then we need requester chests. Hang on. Have I got this wrong? Requester chests. Provider chests. Yeah, I've got that wrong. Sorry. Change that around. So we need our requester chests there. That's our innie, basically. That's where we put stuff in. And then we need our provider chests at the bottom there. There we go. Obviously, I also need to put 1 more inserter like so. There we go. Right. So in the requester, we will be requesting, say 50? No, say 20 of each. 20 electronic circuits and 20 advanced circuits. That balls to it. Let's just make it 50 because then they don't have to work. There we go. Then we will copy over that program. There we go. And then we will paste it into all of the others. There we go. Paste it, paste it, paste it, and paste it. That's all pasted in there. I have loads on me anyway, so what I'm going to do is actually place half of them just in the box anyway because I don't need them all. Then I'm going to run over the other side and also place some more as well. Hang on. So this box here, we're going to put, well, see, most of what I've got in there as well, just to sort of clear my pockets as well. That's the main reason. Right. Run over to the right hand side here. As you can see, look, we've got now 6 of them. Yeah, 6 of these assembly machine 3s. And previously we only had well, 1 assembly machine 2, and then I upgraded it to 3 right at the end of the episode, and obviously I've ditched it now. There we go, they're now supplying everything. I do want to just check, do we have any of these effectivity modules? We do, but I don't want them. What I want, actually, I'm going to get some robot frames. I'm going to pick up them there, as you can see, because I want to make some more logistical robots, because I think we will need some, so I'm going to make as many as I can, really. There we go. And I also want to put in some of these speed modules, only speed module 1s, because, you know, we don't really need anything else, really. They're just a case of, I've got loads of them, I might as well use them. Right, there's loads of robots, let's place them down, fantastic. We could probably make a lot more, look at all the robot frames I've got. Let's make, yeah, say 20 more. I'm just going to quickly run up the top and check our satellite base out. So again, rip up this wall and run straight through. I've taken the liberty of actually picking up my... Where's the trainer? It's coming out now. I've taken the liberty of actually picking up the wall that I placed last episode to repair everything with. Right, let's have a look. That is providing 41 repair packs. They are fine. Everything is okay around here. Nothing really to say. Let's just run back. Fine. I know there's been a couple of comments saying we should probably change the way our... Oh, hang on. Should go in here. Place them like so. And then place our robots down. Probably don't need that many, but whatever. Probably we're saying we should change this because currently we're unloading more on one side than the other. You are actually right, we are. However, what you really have to bear in mind is that we're not really using much of these materials anymore. I mean, we are making all what you can see here, but we're not, you know, we're not doing it to a massive extent. I mean, we're not like making a lot. I mean, all of this here now is pretty much used for science. That's what we're using it for. We're making basically everything for these science packs 1, 2, and 3 respectively. Right, let's just check. That has, if I change that to, see, I've got a lot of these alien artifacts in there. I'll put some more in as well, and that is now loaded up fully with the modules, the module 3s, sorry, I forgot the name of them, the productivity module 3s in that there. But I don't want to start going because these, as you can see, I've only got the ones in. Now if I take it out, it won't cancel that. It actually saves it what I've got, but I need to put the others back in. Let me just run down the bottom here, and I'm actually going to check one moment. Oh, I'm stuck in this place now. How's our steel production actually while we're here? Our steel production is fine. Steel production is great. What are we missing out on? Batteries are getting taken out there. Everything's fine. Oil is pretty much non-existent anymore. I'm guessing it's because of the petroleum that I'm trying to make. Yep, I think it is. We've got loads of heavy oil. We really do have a lot of heavy oil. We don't have a lot of light oil, and we need more petroleum gas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crack that into petroleum gas. Okay, start making that into petroleum gas, as you can see. There we go. And what I think I need to do as well is probably start producing light oil from the heavy oil. You can do that. As you can see, you can you can use heavy oil cracking to light oil. So let's do that. I think that's something I definitely need to work on. So I need some chemical plants firstly. So let us make some chemical plants. I do not have enough steel plates, so I will go up here and fill my boots. As you can see, we've got lots of steel here. Steel plates, they're actually girders. We'll just gloss over that fact. Right, so we need, I think, 4 chemical plants is ideal, really. And then we're going to put them down here, I think. Where's the best place to put them? Obviously, we've got them ones there, which are making lubricant, which we're never going to turn them on again. I mean, let's be honest, we're never going to need that much lubricant. I don't know why I stored that much, but a bit strange. Excuse me one moment. Ah, lovely call. See, I could edit that out, but I can't be asked. I don't have the energy to I don't have the energy to edit that. Like, to really remember that I have to edit that out, so whatever. Let's forget about it. You don't really care, do you? Right, let's see. Oh, we have productivity module 3s. Some of them. There you go. Look, we've got 4 now. Excellent. So we can place that up top. Right. Let us first place these chemical systems. Well, how are we going to play? I'm going to place them with a gap in between. Yeah, we'll place them with a gap in between. Place these chemical plants down, rip that up. One there, and one there. Now, obviously, we're going to set them to use light oil to heavy oil. Sorry, heavy oil to light oil. There you go. And obviously, we need to power them up. Let's go old school, and we'll use these little electrical poles just because I've got them. And then we need to connect them up there as well. So they're now done. Obviously, it needs water in one side, and it needs heavy oil in the other. So what I'm going to have to do is probably run that's the water pipe there, which is why I placed this thing here. So we can place... I think I'm going to have to reduce them further down. Let's move them further down because it's a little bit tight where it is at the moment. So let's pull it down a bit. So I'll put them here instead, because that gives me a bit more room to maneuver. There we go. Right. Again, we'll just pick that up, put that there, and then we'll power them up with these electrical poles. There we go. Right. So let's run some... Oh, we'll just change these so we've already got them selected, so we can actually see where we need to put the water in. I believe the water goes on the left-hand side on these ones. Yes, it does. Right. Let's run the water first. So we do need a lot more underground pipe. So first thing I'm going to do is run up top here, dodging all of these pipes, and then pick up... Whoa, look at that! Actually, hasn't got many pipes in there. Wow, we're going to have to get that creating pipe. I didn't actually think that we were running out of pipe. How many engines do we have? Loads of them! We don't need that many. Turn that off. We don't need that more. We don't need any. We don't need that many. And we don't need that many electric engines either. So we can turn that off as well. Look at all the electric engines we've got. Wow. Actually, why turn them off? Just keep producing them. Just keep working, I guess, until the box is filled. There's no reason why we don't, well, why we can't. Because I mean, look, we're producing all of this stuff anyway. In fact, these boxes at the end with the provider chests, they're full. So I could actually create a full storage chest and such, but don't really need to. Anyway, let us pick up all of them pipes there because I do need them more than it does. Right, let's just run around these pipes. It's like the crystal maze getting around there. Right. We'll create some more underground pipes. There we go. Right, we need to go in there. And then we need to go out. How am I going to do this? There, okay? In there and out there. Because I have a bit of a plan. Might not be a good plan, but it is a plan. There we go. Then we need to connect these up. Like that. And that looks really dodgy, doesn't it? That's really, really glitchy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick that up. Connect that up like so, as you can see. Run this pipe. And we're just out of pipe, so I'll make some more there. And then I'll go in there. And then out there. And then there's everything connected up. Okay, so there's the water connected up to that. Fantastic. Now what we need to do is run our other pipe, which is going to go... I think we'll do it manually this time. We'll not go underground. I need to first route this, which is our heavy oil. And the best thing to do is to run it probably in here. So we'll go in there, out there, then in there, and then out. How far can we get that there? That is pretty much perfect. That is very good, actually. That's just where I wanted it. And then we could just do that, to be honest with you. I don't see any problem, really, of doing that. There you go. So they should be producing it now. Obviously, they're going to output it to the, well, to this light oil. So we need to get it back over there now, which I think we will simply, and this is a bit sloppy, I must confess, make some more pipe, run it right across, and then just straight up. So we'll go in there, and then out there, and then I need some more pipe. Let's just run this, hang on. There we go, there's all that pipe. And we need probably a couple more of them pipe to ground things. So we'll go in there, and then out. Be very careful now, actually. I'm going to pick that up. Do something a bit different. More pipe. We need more pipe. So I'm going to run it up. Ah, that's in the way. Pick that up. Oh, that's not good. That powers everything down. Okay, let's place that back there. That powers everything down. Wow. Really? Yeah, that's on a separate circuit. That's weird. Let's place it there. It's out the way. Right. And we just need to connect it up to this bit, really. So there. And then exit there. And then there. There we go. Right. So that should be... Are these producing it? They are now producing light oil. So they're taking our heavy oil from that tank there. As you can see, we've got a fair amount of heavy oil in that storage tank, and they're producing light oil. And then the light oil is being turned into our petroleum gas, and the petroleum gas is getting turned into sulfur, which in turn is getting turned into our advanced, our processing units, which in turn is producing these productivity modules. Whew! Wow. Right, why is that not producing anything? Does it? What's it run out of? What's it run out of? Do we not have any of them? We don't. Wow, we actually ran out of the module, productivity module ones. So we're gonna have to get these, creating them again. I didn't think that would happen. I really didn't think that would happen. But we do have the setup still here, as you can see. Get them all back on the case, and then that is fully cracking on now. Let's just fill that with spare ones that I've got, and then they can get creating. Right, so there's that sorted. Do we have any in here? We do not. They are still producing them. We could probably expand this further, in fact, couldn't we? I think we'll make a couple more. 1, 2. There we go. We'll make some more of them. No, it's going to take a while because we need to make some of these things, these blue ones, because I made about 5,000 of them. Yeah, that's not right. I made a lot of them, but we made loads of them. We made loads of them things. The productivity modules, or speed modules. I keep forgetting the module names. Yeah, we made loads of the speed modules. But, oh, am I getting assaulted by them robots? Yes, I am. Yeah, I mean, made loads of them speed modules, but I've put them in, you know, the power plants and things like that, and the chemical plants and just other things, other areas. But, yeah, we're doing all right by the look of it. I think that's a nice bit of building there, which is something that's been sort of missing as of late, because we're sort of getting to a point now where anything I do now just improves my situation. It's not really necessary. So you need to bear that in mind. I'm just going to run down these factories. I'm going to take out them ones there, and then put in the level 5s, the level 3s rather. There we go. Wow, they're really effective. Are they? I don't know. Energy consumption is plus 80%. Speed is minus 15, but productivity is 10. Wow, and double the pollution. But they're in a lab, so it's okay. We don't make it. I don't think we make pollution with a lab. Anyway, let's run down bottom. We're going to make a bit more pipe because we need to place some more things. How is that working? That's working quite well. These don't have any speed modules or anything in them, but that's fine. I don't really need to worry about that. They're all working fine. That's producing sulfur. Our petroleum gas is steadily going up. Light oil is steadily going... actually staying about the same. It's sort of evens, and I'm guessing our heavy oil is hitting the deck. Let's have a quick look. It is going down, but not a great deal. And that's not producing anything because we're out of crude oil. Yeah, I know I'd mentioned that I was probably going to have the train up, hang on, up there, the train that goes around. Then I said I wasn't going to bother. Then I said I was going to use pipe work, and I don't know what to do really. My pipe work would be the best thing to do, but like I say, I don't really need a lot of oil at the moment because I've not passed it, because you don't really pass the oil industry. You don't really pass any of the industry once you've got it. But what you get to a point where you just don't need it, and I don't really need all of the oil. I can probably get by with this sort of Mad Max type, just sort of ad hoc solution, which is, you know, get what we can and just deal with it. I know there's some other wells there that we could probably tap. And that people have said we could probably tap these wells here. Probably best to actually. What have we got? 95 and 94. Just for the sake of running pipe, I might as well do it because it might be interesting. Let me make some more pipe, and we'll run that down after I've done these. You understand? Because we do need to sort these out. So I'm going to just put in the substation there to make sure they're all powered up. Yep, there we go. We need to make a couple more of them things. There we go, and we'll set 2 pump jacks in the queue as well. So we need to put a provider chest there, and we need another provider chest as well. Do we have another chest as well? No, we don't. We've got no chest at all. I've just ran out of them apparently. Right, let's run the pipe down. I've run out of pipe as well. Oh, I'm running out of everything. Cancel that. Cancel that. Make more pipe. There we go. No, I had pipe apparently. Let me make well, set these to make these processing units. Rotate that, like so, and then we'll connect the things up. There we go. Fantastic. Right. We will then... Innie, outie, outie. Great. And then obviously we'll copy... we'll make some more of them boxes first. So we need 2 more of them. And 1 more. I think 1 more of them I'll just make. No, we just need the 1 more, I think. There we go. So... That's the... Innie. And then the outie. Is that right? Have I done this wrong? I have done this wrong. Hang on. That's right. There we go. Now it's right. So we will copy that, paste it, and paste it. There we go. So they'll now be producing more stuff. Actually, they're not producing anything at the moment. Why are they not producing what I need? Is the sulfuric acid ran out? No. Why are they not producing? That is producing. Have we run out of something? Ah, we've actually run out, strangely, out of this, our electronic circuits. Wow, that is something that I never expected. Right, what I'm going to do then, I'll make this quite simple. We will have some provider chests. Make 2 more. Gonna put 1 there, put 1 there, and then we're simply going to put that there. And then make another one, put that like that. There you go. Because we're not using them anymore. We're not using them anymore, so I might as well. In fact, hang on. Isn't that one anywhere? That's a requested chest. Alright, that requests them and puts them on that line there. Fine. There we go. Let's take them off a line, because we don't really need them there anymore. As you see, we've got a big full line here. So I could probably just pick them all up, really. Probably just pick them all up. Why are they not making anything else? Why are they not making anything now? Plastic bar? Are we out of plastic? Since when we were out of plastic? Let's have a quick look here. Where's our plastic? Ah, we're making plastic from petroleum gas. But what are we out of? Coal? Requesting coal? Not getting any coal. Ah. 1 moment. Have we actually run out of coal? We have run out of coal, which is a weird one. Huh. Let's have a quick look. Where's our coal supply? That was our coal supply. It was our coal supply. So guess what? We're going to change it so we get more coal, which will be down the bottom there, because that's where we've got all of our coal. So, rip up this belt, because we just don't need it anymore. I mean, there's some scraps over there, but I'm not going to mess around with it. I'm just going to pull this belt up, just because it's just a bit cleaner. There we go. It sort of tidies the area up a bit. If you actually do this, if you remove all of your legacy stuff, then it does, you know, keep things a bit clean. There we go. Pick that up. Job done. Place that robot that I actually just ripped up as well. Come down the bottom here, and we need to have do I have any more electric mining drills anywhere? I might have some in here. I do. I've got freaking loads of them. I've got 20. What? 27 of them in there. Why do I have 27? Anyway. Doesn't much matter. Right, so we're going to build around the train tracks here, which is a bit dangerous, but whatever. So place that one there, that one there, that one there, spin it round, there, and there. What the hell is that noise? Oh, it's this. Sounds like an alarm about to go off, like disarm the alarm thing. Right, so I'm running these up, and then pretty much to that box. I mean, I don't know. Is that should pretty much do it. That should pretty much do everything. Put that there. There's our coal solution, I guess. That's pretty much it sorted, I think. Yes, I think that is sorted. Right, let's pick up. There's some more of these modules here. Now, how many do I have? I'll have 4 on me now, so I think it is time to get this thing going. Start doing some more research, because it's now, let's set that to start creating some more alien artifacts. There we go. That has got speed modules. Sorry, that's got productivity modules. That's now got full productivity module 3s. And that one has now got full productivity module 3s as well. So we have productivity module 3s in these 4. And that one, as you can see, has also got productivity module 3s in as well. So we are now quite efficient. However, I've started it now, and obviously we've still got another 6 to go, but I've started it now because I think it's just a case of the benefit does not really outweigh the time it's going to take. So I'd rather start stuff now because we do have a fair bit to go before we get anywhere. Because obviously we've got rocket shooting speed 1 and we need rocket shooting speed 5 before we can research the other one. So I think we will leave it there. Wow, look at them. That's really full. Them steel chests. Are they completely full? They are completely full. Do you know what's best? If I actually just make some more boxes. Hang on. Where is it? Active provider chests. Make 3 of them. And replace that box. That box. Oh, what's just happened? It just spammed the area. No way. Oh no. Why is that? Why has it spammed the area with all that coal? I have no idea why it's just done that. That is really weird. Is it just me, or have I just glitched something out here? I have no idea what's happened there. Hang on, let me fix this. Let me just pick that up. Turn that around to there. We'll probably put 2 of these chests here. Hang on, we'll put that there. Hang on, wow, I need one more. What am I missing? Iron. I'm out of iron. Wow. I'm also not doing any research. Let me get rocket shooting speed 2. There we go. We do need to start doing that. Run up top. We're going to pick up some of this iron. Not a lot though because my pockets are completely full. So run down bottom. Probably empty my pocket of all this coal because I don't need this much. So we'll put it in there, as you can see. And we'll probably start getting some more boxes as well. So put them there. Put 3 there, I think. Also need some more fast inserters. So 1 there, 1 there. Sorts that out. Don't know why it's just spammed all this coal. That's a bit weird. Don't know why. Probably something to do with the boxes changing over or something. Obviously we've got coal all over the track now, which is not good. Now can I pick up all this coal here? It's hard when it's F. I'm just picking up all of the stuff around. Obviously there's bits that I will miss out, I'm sure. But I think that's most of it. Right. Let me place it in there. And then place that box there. I don't know why. I don't know what it's doing. I think what's happening is that it's picking up all the coal from the box and then dumping it back into the chest. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. How's that? Is that actually full, that thing? To view the locomotive. Yeah, it's full of coal. We've got loads of coal in there. Right. I think we will leave it there. So, we have got our coal working in. We have these producing, as you can see. Yeah, well, they're not actually producing anything because we haven't got any processing units. Still short on processing units, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them are going. We could probably... That doesn't really do anything anymore. Probably add another couple more. I think that's what we'll do. We'll start producing some more. We'll just start, basically go up. Probably add another 3 or 4 more, probably. Yeah, we'll see. We'll do that next episode. Right, so... Not bad at all. We are producing all the things that we need. We're actually getting surplus on that module as well. Good. Right, so next episode we will continue on with adding our productivity module, making these these modules and such, and we will start putting them in these labs. As you can see, we have got these productivity module 3s in there. These ones are the standard ones, which we need to change. But in general, we are doing okay. Obviously, that's turning these alien artifacts into that as well. Science packs. So we're doing alright. We are doing okay, but researching rocket shooting speed 2, then 3, then 4, and I believe it's up to 5, and then finally going for our rocket defense. But we'll see how far we get with that. Thank you very much for watching, and generic partings.